From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning. I'm student meteorologist Denys Khrulov with your Friday morning campus weather forecast. Taking a look at the webcam situated across the Commonwealth of this hour, we do have the sun that has risen in Wilkes-Barre and Harrisburg this morning, making for a beautiful sunrise in Harrisburg. But here in State College in Pittsburgh, sunrise hasn't occurred yet, so we do have those nightly conditions seeing right now. Taking a look at the temperatures across the local region, here in State College we're sitting at a temperature of 41 degrees, so it's pretty mild out there this morning. But if you head further west, temperatures are sitting into the mid to upper 30s, making you feel a little colder. And further southeast, Harrisburg's almost at 50 degrees this morning, so it's pretty mild. And then taking a look at the entire Commonwealth, the same theme going on. Further west you go, we have temperatures into the middle 30s. And then further east you go, the warmer you get, with temperatures into the lower 50s in Philadelphia. So waking up on the warm side for sure. Taking a look at the current radar and satellite, not much going on. We do have a few light showers moving in through western and central portion of the state, but otherwise not a big impact by any means. And then taking a look at the regional view of the whole eastern United States, not much going on. We do have some residual showers going off the Carolina coast at this hour, but otherwise not much precipitation going on across the eastern seaboard at this hour. Tracking the wind, if you're going to classes this morning, don't get blown over, because I almost did walking over into the studio this morning. We do have winds at 22 miles per hour here in State College, with wind gusts potentially up to 40 to 45 mile per hour temps. So it's going to be windy, so not much you can do that, but just deal with it at this point. And then taking a look at the temperature change over the last 24 hours, we did have a cold front that moved through portions of the Commonwealth later last night. You can really see where it kind of went through. Portions of western PA are feeling much colder than it was 24 hours ago. But if you head further east, let's say Philadelphia and Allentown, it's feeling as much as 20 degrees warmer than it was 24 hours ago. So they're waking up to pretty mild conditions there. And then looking at the whole eastern United States, you can see where the cold front really went through. Again, much of the eastern seaboard at the coastline is feeling warmer than it was 24 hours ago. But if you head into, say, Kentucky and Tennessee, it's feeling as much as 20 to 30 degrees colder than it was 24 hours ago. So you can really see where the colder air has moved in. Tracking out of the future radar, you can see the clouds will be holding across much of the state this afternoon, so don't be expecting to meet much sun unless you're down in Philadelphia. It will be mostly sunny. But otherwise, here in State College, we'll be locked in the clouds. But moving forward, by dinner time, we'll have the clouds clear out. We will have, and then by tomorrow, we'll have the clouds really clear out with no clouds by tomorrow afternoon around 3:50 p.m. Look, wall-to-wall sunshine, so get excited for that. Won't be seeing much clouds, but we'll have the clouds begin to move in from the south as we see our next system approach. So more on that in a second, and you can see how we will have that system come out of the south, bring a pretty decent Appalachian snowstorm to portions of Virginia, West Virginia, Kentucky, and Tennessee in the most highest elevations where they could see several inches of snow. Here in Pennsylvania, we won't be seeing much as the system barely scrapes the southern regions, bringing a few rain showers to maybe Harrisburg and Philadelphia late Sunday evening. But here in State College, we'll be dealing with the clouds. And then by Monday, early Monday morning, again, scraping portions of southeast PA, bringing a few rain showers. Not much no winter precipitation will be expected with this system, unfortunately. And then as we move into Monday and Tuesday, that system will depart and we'll see the return of mostly sunny skies. And then taking a look at the Climate Prediction Center outlook, if you're a spring lover, get excited because warmer air is expected in a medium range. So timing it out by the 6 to 10 day outlook by the Climate Prediction Center, above average temperatures expected for much of the eastern United States. If you want more of the cold and snow, you might want to head over across the western United States, especially in the mountains of California, where they'll be dealing with more cold and more snow. So for today, we'll have a high temperature of 44 degrees with cloudy and windy conditions expected. Again, gusts potentially up to 30 to 45 mile per hour times, so it's going to be fairly windy. By tonight, we'll drop down to a low temperature of 29 degrees, remaining mostly cloudy and windy with gusts, again, up to 30 mile per hour possible at times. If you're heading out tonight, make sure to bring the jackets and warm clothes because it's going to be feeling a little bit colder, probably with wind chill values into the lower 20s tonight, but not as cold as it was last Friday night. And then for tomorrow, we'll have a high temperature of 41 degrees with mostly sunny skies. So get those sunglasses out and get outdoors and enjoy the sunny skies. We'll be feeling a little bit chilly, but that sun will make it feel nice with the wind calming down. And then for your 7-day forecast, as you can see, we will be staying more in a spring-like regime as we move over the next several days. Again, Saturday, 41, mostly sunny. For Super Bowl Sunday, a high temperature of 44, mostly cloudy skies. No big impacts expected here for the big sporting event, but again, mostly cloudy skies. And Monday and Tuesday, in time for Valentine's Day, we're going to have a very warm pattern settled in with highs reaching into the lower 50s for Valentine's Day. And then by Wednesday and Thursday, we'll really spike the temperatures up with temperatures reaching by 60 degrees by Thursday, with the rain, of course, returning to the region. Maybe could even have a few thunderstorms later Thursday evening. Anyway, I'm student meteorologist Denys Khrulov. Have a great weekend and week ahead.